The era of traditional keys is slowly fading away thanks to the rise of smart locks. These innovative locks not only provide a more secure and convenient way of accessing your bicycle, but also offer a range of cutting-edge features to enhance your overall experience. With a plethora of options available in the market, choosing the right smart lock can be a daunting task. And that's where our guide to the top 5 best smart bike locks you can buy for this year comes in. As always, all the links to products you'll find in the description below, and let us know in the comments which tech-related topics you'd like to see in our next videos. Number 5. Pealock Smart Bike Lock. The ultimate solution for keeping your gear safe and secure. With a range of features including a motion sensor, GPS tracker, acoustic alarm, mechanical locking mechanism, and steel cable lock, this device combines all your security needs into one convenient package. If your equipment is moved or tampered with, the loud alarm function will attract attention in the immediate area, while simultaneously sending an alarm message to your phone. The GPS position can also be displayed on a map, giving you added peace of mind in the event of theft. Thanks to integrated steel cables, the closing strap cannot be cut through, adding an extra layer of protection. The smart lock is easy to use, with the option to open and close it through the app or NFC accessories registered in the app. Additional NFC cards, bracelets, or keys can also be purchased from our eShop. All functions of the Pealock Smart Bike Lock are available on your mobile phone, allowing you to check battery charge status, GSM and GPS signal strengths, and set sophisticated alarm function settings. The price is $100. Number 4. iLock GPS Smart Bike Lock. Introducing the iLock GPS Bike Lock, the ultimate solution to all your bike security worries. With its integrated GPS live tracking, you can now have the peace of mind that your bike is always parked safely. The GPS live tracking feature allows you to know the exact location of your bike in real time and receive notifications when the alarm is triggered. Say goodbye to searching for keys, as the iLock GPS is easily and automatically controlled through your smartphone. Its smart technology automatically closes as soon as you are on your bike and detects your presence to open fully automatically. The iLock GPS is also secured with a 110 decibels loud alarm that is triggered if someone tries to steal your bike. Its locking bracket passes through the spokes for added reliability and security. At just $210, this bike lock offers unbeatable value for money. Its long-lasting lithium battery is designed for a whole cycling season and can easily be charged using a power bank without disassembling the lock. For added security, the iLock GPS offers increased theft security accessories such as a plug-in chain or plug-in cable that can be connected to a bicycle stand. Number 3. ZiiLock Smart Bike Lock. The ZiiLock Smart Bike Lock is a top-of-the-line product that offers 3 convenient options to unlock: fingerprint, smartphone Bluetooth, and physical key unlocking. Its high-resolution fingerprint touch panel allows for quick entry in just 0.5 seconds and can store up to 20 fingerprints. The ZiiLock app connects to the lock via Bluetooth 5.0, allowing for remote control and sharing with family members. In case of a power outage, the lock can be opened with the physical keys. This product also comes equipped with a theft alert system that uses a sensitive motion sensor to detect any unauthorized movements of your bike. You will receive notifications on your paired phone if someone tries to tamper with your bike. The lock can be detected within 50 meters of the phone in an open area. Made of highly resistant alloy steel with an anti-shear of the 12-ton hydraulic cutter, IP67 waterproof and dustproof rating, and heat-treated steel materials, this lock provides the highest level of security for your bike. At just $129, this product is a steal for those looking to keep their bikes safe and secure. Number 2. Bisecu Smart Bike Lock. Bisecu Smart Bike Lock is a reliable and convenient security solution for cyclists who want to keep their bicycles safe. This innovative bike lock features advanced technology that provides seamless security for your bike. The Bisecu Smart Bike Lock is equipped with an anti-theft alarm system that sends an alert to your phone when someone tries to tamper with your bike. This feature ensures that your bike is always protected, even when you're not around. The lock is also easy to use, thanks to its smart locking mechanism that automatically locks and unlocks the bike when you approach or leave. You can control the lock using the Bisecu app, which is available for both Android and iOS devices. In terms of durability, the Bisecu Smart Bike Lock is made of high-quality materials that can withstand harsh weather conditions and prevent rusting. The battery life is impressive as well, with up to 6 months of usage on a single charge. Overall, the Bisecu Smart Bike Lock is an excellent investment for anyone looking to secure their bike. With a price point of around $99, it's an affordable and reliable option for cyclists of all levels. Number 1. WeeyLock Smart Bike Lock. Say goodbye to the hassle of traditional bike locks that are difficult to use, expensive, and often leave you locked out. WeeyLock is a smart, secure, and solar-powered bike lock that provides active protection with its tamper-proof case and always-on theft alert. WeeyLock offers keyless convenience with both smartphone and key fob unlocking options, so you never have to worry about losing your keys or forgetting combinations. Unlocking your bike is now as easy as tapping your smartphone app. What's more, WeeyLock is solar-powered with a built-in solar panel that automatically recharges the battery in both indoor and outdoor light, ensuring that it never runs out of battery. Invest in WeeyLock Smart Bike Lock for just $89 and enjoy a carefree riding experience. That just finished our video. Which one is your favorite? Why not let us know in the comments below, and if you enjoyed the video, give us a like. If you want to see more high-quality videos, make sure to hit that subscribe button and you'll get the latest videos straight to your mailbox. That way, you'll never miss a future upload. See you in the next video.